Would your dog actually protect you if you were getting attacked? We have a professional trainer in a bite suit who's gonna jump me to see if Blaze would do anything at all. To show Blaze the ropes, I'm gonna get attacked by a trained dog. What the Oh no! I am like about to soil myself, I'm so scared. Blaze, I'm only doing this one time, watch closely. 3, 2, 1. Oh, God damn, that hurt! Pull him off, I'm good, Woo! Let's see what Blaze does when I get attacked. Blaze! Blaze! Blaze, what the hell? Blaze!